As you know, Filmora 15 is here, and it comes with many exciting upgrades. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the new tools in Filmora 15 and how you can speed up your editing process with them. If you don't know what's new in Filmora 15, make sure to watch my previous video. I've mentioned the link in the description. Let's start with the new AI Extend tool. Now you can extend your videos directly in Filmora. It's a really great feature that allows you to extend your video by up to 8 seconds, which I think is more than enough in most cases. To use this tool, select the Extend tool and drag your clip to the desired length. The maximum extension is 8 seconds. The settings related to the Extend tool will appear here. Filmora automatically detects and uses the last frame of your video, which is super convenient since you don't need to add it manually. It extends your existing footage seamlessly. Next, you'll see the details box, where you can describe your video clip in your own words. For the best results, you can also follow the AI's suggested descriptions. Then, select the camera movement and choose from multiple available tags. You can select more than one at a time to describe your clip accurately. The more precise your input, the better your results will be. After that, set your resolution and duration, up to 8 seconds max. And once everything is ready, simply click the Generate button. Filmora will process your video and create the AI-generated extended part within seconds. Here's the final result. The extended clip is ready to go. Another amazing feature is the sub-project option. This allows you to open another project while editing, and it will appear in a separate timeline, basically enabling multi-timeline editing. It's super helpful because sometimes you need to work with another project simultaneously. You can make any changes you want, and if you notice this timeline icon file here, it represents the main file of the sub-project. You can also drag and drop it into your main timeline as a compound clip. Any real-time edits you make in the sub-project will automatically reflect in your main sequence. Additionally, if you're editing something like a video intro, you can group all your clips, make them a compound clip, and a new sequence will be created automatically. This makes it easy to edit without affecting your main timeline. It's super efficient and helps keep everything organized, especially when working on complex projects. Next, let's talk about the pen tool, another exciting addition in Filmora 15. This isn't your ordinary pen tool. You can actually create animations with it. Let me show you how. Start by drawing any shape you like. Then, in the Effects panel, you'll find multiple pre-made templates that look incredible. Let's pick one. As you can see, it's fully customizable. You can change its color, radius, intensity, and even start and end zoom nodes. It's a truly powerful tool for creating shapes and designs directly in Filmora. To animate it, you can use keyframes. In the Trim Path menu, you'll see options like Start, End, and Offset. At the beginning of your shape clip, create start and end keyframes and set the end value to 0. Then, move forward in the timeline to where you want the animation to end and set the value back to 100. Now watch this. Smooth animation. You can also reverse the direction using the start keyframe if you want the animation to play backward. It's a super useful tool for creating shapes, motion graphics, and eye-catching animations right inside Filmora within seconds. So that's it for this video. If you want to explore all the new features of Filmora 15, make sure to watch my other video. I'll link it in the description as well. Try Filmora for free today using the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.